Welcome to the Stella Beauty channel, your go-to destination for all things beauty, skincare, and lifestyle. Here we explore the latest trends, share expert tips, and dive into the world of beauty and self-care. I'm thrilled to have you join us on this journey towards feeling confident and empowered in your own skin. We dedicate today's episode to our amazing viewers who are embracing the beauty of aging gracefully. We'll be sharing 5 natural beauty tips specifically tailored for older women, because beauty knows no age limit. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in today's episode. Number 1. Skincare. Skincare is the cornerstone of any beauty routine, especially as we age. One common mistake is the use of powder foundation, which can accentuate fine lines and wrinkles, making them appear deeper than they actually are. To counteract this, it's important to focus on achieving a radiant glow. Regular exfoliation, done once or twice a week, can help to slough off dead skin cells and reveal smoother, more luminous skin underneath. Additionally, incorporating hydrating products into your routine can help combat the loss of moisture that often occurs with age. A primer with luminosity can work wonders for mature skin, providing a smooth base for makeup application while also adding a subtle glow. Look for primers that contain light-reflecting particles to give your skin a youthful radiance. When it comes to foundation, opt for formulas that are soft and luminous rather than heavy and matte. These lighter formulations will help to maintain your skin's natural luminosity and prevent makeup from settling into fine lines and wrinkles. Proper skin prep is key to achieving a youthful complexion. And by following these simple steps, you can enhance your natural beauty and feel confident at any age. Number 2. Concealer trick. Another common mistake is the misuse of concealer, particularly when trying to conceal dark circles under the eyes. Many women reach for concealers that are too light, hoping to brighten the under eye area. But this can actually have the opposite effect. Instead of brightening, the light concealer can create an ashy cast, making you look tired and aged. To avoid this, consider using a color corrector first. Peach or orange tone correctors can neutralize the blue pigmentation under the eyes, creating a more even base for your concealer. Once you've applied the corrector, choose a concealer that matches your skin tone and apply it sparingly over the corrected areas. Be sure to blend well to avoid any harsh lines or demarcations. Finally, dust the concealer with a light dusting of translucent powder to prevent creasing and ensure long-lasting wear. Using this technique, you can effectively brighten the under eye area and achieve a more youthful appearance. Remember, makeup should enhance your natural beauty, not mask it. By using the right products and techniques, you can achieve a flawless complexion and feel confident in your own skin. Number 3. Eyeshadow placement. Choosing the right eyeshadow colors and placement is crucial for creating a youthful and vibrant look. One common mistake is the use of dark eyeshadows all over the lid, which can make the eyes appear smaller and more sunken. Instead, focus on creating depth and dimension by using lighter shades on the lid and darker shades in the crease. This will help to open up the eyes and create a more youthful appearance. When applying eyeshadow, use windshield wiper motions to blend a medium matte shadow into the crease. This will help to define the eye shape and reduce the appearance of sagging in the eyelid area. Then use a lighter shade on the lid to brighten and add luminosity. By playing with light and dark shades, you can create the illusion of larger, more awake eyes. To further enhance the eyes, consider using a small, compact brush to apply eyeshadow along the lash line, focusing on lifting the outer corners. This simple technique can help to create a subtle lift that makes the eyes appear more youthful and uplifted. Finish off with a coat of mascara to add volume and definition to the lashes, and you're ready to take on the day with confidence. Number 4. Luscious lips. As we age, our lips naturally begin to thin out, which can affect the overall appearance of our face. One common mistake is the use of matte lipsticks or nude shades, which can wash out the lips and make them appear smaller. To counteract this, it's important to choose lip colors that add volume and hydration. Look for shades with a bit of vibrancy and moisture, as this can help plump up the lips and create a more youthful look. When applying lipstick, consider using a lip liner to define the shade of your lips and prevent feathering or bleeding. Then apply your chosen lipstick shade evenly across the lips, making sure to build up the color gradually for a natural looking finish. Avoid overly dark or matte shades, as these can have a flattening effect on the lips and make them appear smaller. If you prefer a more subtle look, you can also opt for tinted lip balms or glosses, which can add a hint of color and shine while keeping your lips moisturized throughout the day. By choosing the right lip products and applying them strategically, you can enhance the fullness and shape of your lips, helping to create a more youthful and vibrant appearance. Number 5. Blush placement. Blush is a great way to add a healthy flush of color to the cheeks and create a youthful glow. However, one common mistake is applying blush too low on the face, which can make the complexion appear sallow and aged. To avoid this, it's important to focus on placement and choose the right formula for your skin type. Instead of using powder blushes, which can sometimes settle into fine lines and wrinkles, consider opting for cream blushes with a peachy pink tone. Cream blushes are easier to blend and can create a more natural-looking flush of color on the cheeks. When applying blush, smile gently to locate the apples of your cheek. Then blend the product upwards towards your cheekbones for a lifted effect. For an added touch of radiance, you can also use a highlighter stick to accentuate the high points of your face, such as the cheekbones, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. This will help to enhance your natural glow and create a more youthful and luminous complexion. By choosing the right blush formula and placement, you can achieve a fresh and youthful look that enhances your natural beauty. By following these simple tips, you can enhance your natural beauty and feel confident at any age. Remember, beauty is about embracing who you are and celebrating your unique features. You're already beautiful, so let's just enhance that beauty even more. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of the Stella Beauty Channel. We hope you find these natural beauty tips for older women helpful and inspiring. Remember, beauty is not about conforming to society's standards, but about embracing your unique features and feeling confident in your own skin. If you'd like to explore the products mentioned in today's episode, be sure to visit our website at stellabeautystore.com or check the link in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips, tutorials, and product recommendations. Until next time, stay beautiful.